Hey everyone, welcome to It's the Lil Things. I hope you all are doing great. So, firstly, I want to say that it is the little things that you need to take care of in summers or to have in summers in order to have nourished, moisturized, and glowy, but at the same time non sweaty summers. Therefore, I will be suggesting you a few products to have in summers in order to make your summers lovable. So if I talk about myself, then I'll say that summers for me they are never enduring. Um, in spite of the fact that I get to eat a lot of mangoes, still stepping out in the harsh sun makes me forget all the good things about summers. And I wish there should be a switch, pressing which would make me skip summers, but now that there isn't any switch, I have found a few ways to take care of my skin as well as not to at least hate summers, if not love summers. So without saying anything further, let's start with this video. The first product that I'll be suggesting you is not just this bottle, but the liquid that is inside of this bottle, that is one of the most abundant products found on this planet Earth. That is water. It's a 2-liter bottle, and I just keep this bottle for myself. And as I try to drink at least two of these bottles every day, that is, I drink 4 liters of water every day in summers. This doesn't mean that I don't drink water in winters at all. In winters too, I drink a lot of water. I keep a kettle near me and directly pour warm water in the glass in winters. But in summers, I don't really drink cold water, but I pour myself directly from the filter into like water directly from the filter into this bottle and drink it all day long. Now, if I will start you, I won't be able to stop telling you about the benefits of this liquid. But if I speak of with the relevance to this video, water will help you get even skin tone, prevents you from dehydration, and also helps you get rid of toxic, harmful material in the body, which will further prevent acne from popping up. It would even make your skin look fresh and glowy. So, it is my everyday routine to drink 4 liters of water at least. And I think if you will adopt this habit too, you will never regret. The next summer essential is going to be a routine. That means you cannot skip any of these parts. First of all, I'll tell you what I used to do. So, I used to just cleanse my face, wash my face with this face wash, and then used to apply a sunscreen. So, I took those personality development classes, and my teacher she told me that, uh, Tanveen, what do you like? What do you apply on your face? So, how you take care of your skin? What do you apply before coming here? So I told her that I just wash my face, apply this sunscreen and a lip balm, and then I come there. So she told me that it is a not only a very inappropriate routine but also incomplete. So what you need to do is you need to follow 3 steps, that is CTM. So CTM is C for cleansing. You need to cleanse your face with a face wash. I use this Himalaya Neem Purifying Face Wash since a lot of time, and this face wash has quite suited me. Um, it's very good for. I believe that this one is good for my skin, but you can use any of the cleanser you like. The next step is T, that is toner. So you need to apply toner on your face. After using this toner, I felt like my skin it looks hydrated. So this is the toner that I got from Miniso. You can use any toner, or you can also use that rose water. After using CT, the next step is M. that is to moisturize your face with the appropriate moisturizer. In summers we need some light moisturizers which not only helps us to get rid of the dullness but also doesn't cause us sweating. Now if you are wondering that your skin doesn't dry up in summers, that means you have oily skin, and it is those oils that are released from your face. In that case, you need to apply a suitable moisturizer after cleansing your face. But it doesn't mean that you don't have to apply a moisturizer. You definitely need to apply a moisturizer. So you need to apply a suitable moisturizer after cleansing your face with the suitable cleanser. So I here use Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer, and this is quite an expensive one, but I think it's worth it. As you can see that mine is almost empty. So there is also a perfect substitute for this moisturizer, that is in Pond's, and I'll be providing the link below for that moisturizer. Now I will also be providing you a few other moisturizers links below which I have used in the past and found quite worth the price. The last step, which is absolutely compulsory and necessary for me, is to apply this sunscreen. This one is the Neutrogena sunscreen that I have been using since, I don't know, 4 years maybe, and since then I have never even thought of replacing it. And it is one of the best sunscreen that I have ever applied. It's also dermatologist tested and it contains SPF 50 plus. So um you know what, before I started applying this sunscreen there wasn't much trend of applying sunscreens at all. I realized that I need a sunscreen when I was in 9th or 10th standard, and I thought that my skin is a lot tanned while standing in the assembly ground in summers. So I started using this one. So you need to apply this sunscreen 15 minutes before stepping out of the house usually. But I don't give a damn about the weather or if I'm staying inside or going outside. I don't care. I apply this sunscreen every day and always, and it is also part of my life now. So you can use any of the sunscreens that you like to, but if you ask for my suggestion, then I would like to say that this Neutrogena sunscreen is the one, like this is the one that I'll always recommend you. Now, the next few summer essentials are these four things. So, first of all, I'll be talking about this moisturizer. This is the Vaseline Intensive Care Deep Moisturizer, and you know what? I like to drench myself in moisturizers. I apply a lot of moisturizer on my body, my legs, my arms. So in summers you don't want anything very heavy on your skin, so this is a very light moisturizer. This is non-greasy, and I don't use this one in winters. I use the one which is not light in winters and which helps my skin to be hydrated for quite a long time. So this is the moisturizer I use and which is essential. So the next thing that you need to apply or to have in summers is this body deodorant. So body deodorants helps you or prevents you from emanating bad odor. Sometimes what happens is you step out of your house and it's very hot outside, because I face that temperature a lot. So you don't want your body to smell badly, so you need to have a body deodorant at least. So just apply this body deodorant at least in order to prevent yourself from emanating any bad odor. So the next thing is this is a body mist. So it is something extra that you may have in addition to this body deodorant. So I guess it's important to have a body mist, and I have this one from the Body Shop and it's in the flavor vanilla. So you can have any you like, in addition to this body deodorant. Now, the next summer essential that I'll recommend you to have is this face mist, and you can have any face mist from any brand, And if you step out of your house a lot, and after a few minutes, you'll notice that your skin starts feeling dull. So, what you need to do is you can just take this mist out and just spray it on your face, and you'll start feeling fresh again. But don't spray it if you have applied a lot of foundation and all, then all your makeup will come off. So this one is from the Body Shop, and it is Rose Dewy Glow Face Mist. So I use this one. You can use any you like. So you can skip this part if you are not much into makeup. The first one is this compact that I have recently ordered from Faces Canada, because for the fact that if you step out of the house putting on a lot of makeup, believe me, you don't want to ruin it all over some gross sweat. Now, the best thing you can do without redoing the whole makeup and at the same time covering up your base and apply base and your foundation is that you apply a compact. The next product that I have is these bloating paper. These are the oil bloating paper. You just need to grab a paper from this small box and dab it on the areas where you feel, oily. It will help you to get rid of all the excess oils on your skin without damaging your base or foundation. So you can just wipe, dab this on your makeup skin. And I got this one from Forever 21, but you can easily get these from any other stores. I can even provide you some links below. The last are these few products which I have regardless of the weather, so I'll suggest you the same. The first one here is these facial tissues. I always feel safer using them instead of using a handkerchief, as they are disposable and they are also easy to carry. So they won't carry any germs. Once you feel like the first tissue is dirty, you can just throw and grab a new one. The next product here I'll be showing you is this sanitizer, and it is very 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 essential these days to carry around due to this COVID-19. And you can get this sanitizer in the wipes form as well. So wipes are essential for you if you tend to make your hands a lot dirty while eating, so it will help then. But I prefer sanitizer myself because it's easy to carry, and you know and also before this COVID period also I used to carry this sanitizer as well, and after the COVID period it has absolutely become necessary. The third product that I'll suggest you is this hand cream. So I do apply a lot of hand cream after using sanitizer because I don't want my hands to get dry. So it's not just about the face, but you need to take care of each and every part of your body. So hands, they are the essential part of your body. So you need to take a better care of your hands. And I personally prefer using this product much more in winters than in summers. The next product that I'll be showing you is this lip balm. So this one is from Body Shop and it contains vitamin E, and it is a very good lip balm. And in summers you should always prefer the lip balm which have SPF. So this one too has SPF. As you can see, it says SPF 15 PA++. So I would recommend you to have those lip balms in summers which contains SPF, as these lip balms will protect your lips from harmful rays of the sun. So the last product that I'll be suggesting you is to have these compressed masks. These are the one I got from Miniso, and they are 30-piece masks. Now if you don't have any of this kind of things, then you can always do DIYs and try to protect your skin from anything harmful that will affect your skin. So you can do any DIYs. There are a lot of DIYs if we'll search on internet. So we just want to protect our skin from harmful damaged sun, and we don't want to get our skin damaged, or we need to get rid of pimples, acne, and dullness. So there are a lot of DIYs there on the internet. but I prefer these compressed masks. They are like quite cheap. It's of 150 rupees, and it contains 30 masks. So once I pop it into some liquid which I make at home, this mask opens up in this shape of face. So I just apply it on my face, and after 15 minutes I remove it, and my skin feels hydrated. I'm usually into the products which hydrates my skin, so so that my skin doesn't feel dull, because most of the times in summers my skin feels dull, so I am into hydration. So if you feel tanned, then you should do some DIY to get rid of tanning. Now if you will order these masks from internet, like from Nike and all, then you'll get one of these masks at rupees 100, and that I find quite expensive. I have even recently ordered few of them because they were on sale, and I got 6 of them at rupees 300. There was a sale, so I found that quite cheap, but that is still very expensive as compared to these masks, because they are 30 that you are getting at rupees 150. So at last, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and this is quite a longer video from my usual videos. Usually I used to make videos for 4 minutes, 5 minutes, or the maximum one is 11 minutes, I guess. But this one is quite a longer one, so I hope you guys will appreciate my efforts, and this video will be as useful to you as I think it should be. And that's all from my side, and thank you for watching me. I hope you stay healthy, happy, blessed. So stay tuned. Bye.